All right. Hey everyone. So today I did a bit of a silly and I failed to charge my camera, and apparently I left it on all last night. So I am on my iPhone today. So that's going to be fun. So that's going to be a thing. Anyways, so today I did quite a bit of programming. My dad and I went to the dump. We chatted with one of my uncles who brought in some beef today to get cut by my dad, and spent some time with one of his buddies as well. We went to Lowe's to get some stuff to patch up something or something like that in one of the bathrooms or something like that. I don't really know. At any rate, we're doing house repairs, or at least my dad's doing house repairs. Sounds like we're having salmon for dinner tonight. So that should be fun. My dad has an abundance of everything that's meat wise. So yeah. Anyways, tomorrow is my last day on Dex, and then I'll be completely weaned off of it. And then soon I will be starting my chemo. So yay! And as you can see, it's been getting warmer because there's no snow in the backyard anymore, really. There's almost no snow in the backyard. But whatever, it is what it is. Anyways, hopefully the audio levels are pretty good. I'm on my AirPods right now. So we'll see. Yeah. So as far as the programming went, I resolved the error that I was having. What I was doing is I had forgotten to remove something that I was accounting for, which was a count of how many elements were in the file. And I realized I kind of don't really need that. If we just iterate to the end of the file and call it a day, we get all the data anyways, right? So we don't actually need to know how many elements are in the file at the beginning, because the data is all the exact same size. Like there's no change in size of data. So because everything is everything's the exact same size, we can just iterate over that until we get to the end in packets of 3, right? Or I think it's 24 bits or 24 bytes or something like that. Anyways, I'd have to consult my code, right? And then we get all the data exactly the way that it's supposed to be. And the issue I was having is that I was grabbing one, and then I was like jumping into the middle, and it wasn't quite correct. So I resolved that error, and then I got all the data exactly the way that I wanted it, and that was perfect. Anywho, so now I'm on to collecting a little bit more data from an API from the SEC website, the sec.gov website itself. And luckily they have a JSON API. So right now I'm making a wrapper to make that call to the JSON API to return the data that I actually need in order to get the CIK ID for the symbol itself. That way, if the symbol changes, the KID does not, and both will match up, and I can pull that every day, and it's free as long as you don't go over 100 or something like that, or 1,000 API calls per 10 seconds or something like that. Like, it's astronomical. I'll never go over it. I'll make one a day right now with my API usage. So anyways, we'll see how it goes. And sorry if this is a bit jumpy. My hands are bothering me a bit, and this selfie stick can be a bit heavy at times. Anyways, so I will catch you all tomorrow, and ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.